You wrote a little letter. And we were daft enough to invite you on the show. Now, when did you first discover it? You know, what was your first one?
The first sound effect I think would probably be train sounds.
Okay. Which is your favourite?
My favourite sound's a bottle of wine being opened.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Lovely
Okay.
sound.
What we're going to do is we're going to have a little competition.
Right.
Between you and our sound guys.
Sounds brilliant.
And the crew. Sorry. They have to guess which is a sound effect made by you.
Right.
And the machine. Is that alright with you?
It sounds good fun.
Okay, well let's have a look at our sound guys. There they are there. Where are they? There they are. Nice guys. Sorry guys. And, what we're going to do is come this way because it's time for competition, everybody. Come on, Simon.
Right,
Are you nervous?
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank God for
I'm
that.
right
That was a
looking
gas
forward to
leak. Right, here we go. So off you go, Simon. Okay, keep going there. That's it. In he goes. You're very smart, isn't it? Okay, it's a very special soundproof booth. Really, it's a cupboard, actually. So close the doors there. Okay, there we go. Now, each and every one of you got little cards there, and as you can see on the cards, you alright?
Yeah.
Right, okay. You've got, you alright?
Yeah.
Right, okay. You've got, what have you got?
A machine.
Right, and what's this? That's right. What's yours?
Machine.
And what's the other side? Well done.
I like you.
I like you too. Okay.
I'm a kisser.
Not now, we're going to show what to do. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the first sound effect, okay, which is chainsaw. Let's have a little listen. Simon, can you do the sound now, please? Right, now, everybody, was that a man or was that a machine?
Machine.
Okay, so we're all going for man, okay? Man on that, are we all agreed man on that one?
Yes.
Okay. Right, there we go. Bottle one. The next sound effects, please. Oh, that is very good.
It's good.
I knew that is good. That is right. Okay, everybody, quickly, man or machine, please. Do you want to change your minds? Are you happy with the minds you got? Mine. Okay, we're going for man. Can we have the next sound effect, please? Alright, what was it? Man or machine? Okay. No, seriously, man or machine, why is it? No, everybody's going for man. Okay, can we have the next sound effect, please? Okay, man or machine? Man or machine? Machine. Machine. Okay, we've got time for some more? I think we have. Okay, here we go. Can we have the next sound effect, please? Which is?
It's an aerator alarm.
Breakfast.
That is not an aerator.
That is not an aerator alarm.
Well, I think we should just scrap that one, definitely. Okay, because that definitely wasn't a railway. All right, let's have the next sound effect, please.
That's an aerator alarm.
It's going slightly wrong here. Right, okay. My first day, this may be a day out for you. This is my living on the line here. So here we go. No, don't save the odds for the end. Okay, here we go. Let's have the next sound effect, please. Let's have this one. Let's see if we can get this one. Okay, a helicopter. Okay. It's not a lawnmower, you spanner. Right, what was it? Hey, was it a man or machine?
You spanner.
What was it? Come on, let's have it. Man. Okay. All right, the last sound effect, please. I'm going to tell you, it should a train, please. Let's have it. It's a machine. That is a Virgin train. Okay, what is it, man or machine? Come on, let's have it. What? Machine. Okay. What we having, man or machine? Quickly. Machine. Okay, let's have it. Okay. So, oh, there we go. So we've got about 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got 3 says man, and the rest machine, and the rest we couldn't care less about. So let's invite the man back, and let's find out exactly what it was. Here it comes from our sound booth. First of all, when he doesn't come in, and the guests give him a nice big round of applause, because it's not easy to do. Give him a big round of applause, everybody. Oh, be a man! Brilliant. Okay, well, just stand over here where the trap door is. Now listen.
Okay.
Okay, let's tell you. How many did you actually do?
I did about, well, you know, one or two there, you know.
No, but how many did you actually do?
Altogether, I did the lot, folks.
He did the lot! I don't believe. Give this man Simon a big round of big breakfast. Well done, and thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you all mine, thank you.
Just before we do anything, can you teach me one?
Sure. The air raid alarm, folks?
Yeah,
Okay.
Let's everybody, let's all get this.
For this effect, you need a deep, deep breath of air.
Okay. Right, coming up in a moment full, keep going. Coming up in a moment full of courage, beauty contest in the world. The Big Breakfast Gold Top Award, plus many devastating take on today's papers. But first,